this video I'm going to show you the Pentair Lil Rebel suction side cleaner. It's designed for an above ground pool, but you can use this in a small in-ground pool also. And the Lil Rebel is a trade grade product by Pentair, so it's only available at your local brick and mortar pool store or from your pool service provider. And the Lil Rebel comes with 12 hoses. These are a little smaller than your standard hoses. These are only 2.5 feet long each. There's also a small hose for the front of the cleaner. Comes with the manual and warranty card. It also includes a float for the first hose. And you have the skimmer adapter regulator valve with the cone for the skimmer. And the price point for the Lil Rebel is excellent. This is a solid, well-made suction side cleaner, much like the full-size Rebel, but smaller. And the Lil Rebel is a gear type cleaner. I'll open it up here so you can see the gears. You can see the gears and the turbine. Again, everything's a little bit smaller than the standard Rebel. I'll go ahead and get a Rebel and show you the difference. You can see the Lil Rebel compared to the full-size Rebel here. And you can see the opening on the bottom is not much smaller than the regular Rebel, so it'll be great for larger debris also. And the turbine on a Lil Rebel is the same turbine they use on a larger Rebel. The only difference is that the gearing is smaller than the larger size Rebel. So everything on this particular cleaner is more compact. So the Lil Rebel has the same build quality as a larger Rebel cleaner made by Pentair. So the Lil Rebel comes with everything that the larger Rebel would come with, except everything is on a smaller scale. So the Lil Rebel is designed specifically for an above ground pool. It's small and compact. It also has a gearing cycle where it turns more often in a smaller pool. It also works really well on the vinyl surface of an above ground pool. You can also use the Lil Rebel in an in-ground pool. If you have a small in-ground pool, you can use the Lil Rebel in there. It's basically just the full-size Rebel cleaner in a smaller scale. I used it in this video in two in-ground pools. One is a regular plaster pool, and the other one is a PebbleTech pool. The Lil Rebel will climb really well in the plaster pool, depending on the horsepower of your pump and how you have the suction set. Just like the regular Rebel climbs the walls, the Lil Rebel will do the same thing. I think one of the best features of the Lil Rebel is that it uses the same turbine as the full-size Rebel. So it does a great job of picking up leaves and debris in the pool. It picks up leaves and debris just as well as the full-size Rebel cleaner. So you don't lose anything except the size of the cleaner is the main difference. But as far as picking up debris, it does a great job. And so you can use the Lil Rebel in an above-ground pool and also in a small in-ground pool. Let's look at the Lil Rebel by Pentair. It has a great price point. It would be an excellent choice for a suction side cleaner for your above ground pool and also for your small in-ground pool. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of swimming pool tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.